Here's a tutorial on how to make your own elephant clay charm. Here are the parts needed. I'm using Sculpey Palmer clay. Start off with the elephant's body. Slightly lengthen and flatten the clay. Get a smaller piece of clay and roll it into a leg. Do this for all 4 legs. Flatten the end of each leg before attaching it to the body. Smoothen out the borders between the body and the leg with your fingers to fuse them together. Make sure the legs are about the same length so the elephant can stand on its own. This is where the head will go. This is where the tail will go. Continue by sculpting the head. Attach the head onto the body. Fuse the head and body together. Make sure the head is aligned with the body. Roll out a long, tapering shape as the trunk of the elephant. After positioning and fusing the trunk, get small clumps of clay for the ears. Create a fan shape for each ear. Attach the ears to the side of the head. Make sure that the 2 ears are attached symmetrically. Tilt the legs to make the elephant appear to be walking. If glitter clings to your fingers, wash them off before handling different colors. Next, make a long, flat oval for the blanket base. Then add the second layer, the seat. I'm using a dotted border, but you can choose whatever border you like. Now attach small black eyes. Make small white clay pieces as small as possible for the eye highlights. Attach an eye pin to the jump ring. Trim the eye pin if needed to fit into the clay charm. Insert the eye pin straight into the elephant so it will be hanged as jewelry or a keychain. Finally, add a long strip of clay for the tail. Bake the clay as directed in the clay package. You can glaze the charm if you want to give it a shiny finish. The elephant clay charm is complete. Thank you for watching.